In this video, we're going to be working on an iPad and taking a look at an app called Screenchomp. Have you ever been in a situation where you had a student that was struggling and you thought it would be really neat if you could send them some additional study material, but writing out some notes really didn't cut it? You really wish you had a blackboard in front of you where you can show them something and annotate it? Well, Screenchomp does that really well. I'll show you how that works. So let's first take a look at the bottom of the screen. The first thing we're going to look at are the three markers down here. What they are essentially three different colors that you'd like to have handy as you're presenting. So for example, I'm going to take blue, my second one's going to be red, and my third one is going to be green. And the purpose of choosing those in advance is so that you don't have to stop what you're doing when you're explaining and choosing a new color. They're ready on the go. Okay, Billy, as you can see, 4 plus 4 equals 8, and so on. Down over here you have a little eraser, so you can actually erase individual elements, or if you want to erase the entire screen, you can actually click right over here and that will erase everything. Another really neat thing you can do with this application is you can actually bring in images from your iPad photo library, things that you've saved off the internet or have taken with the camera. What I'm going to do is go in the lower left hand corner, click on this icon, go inside my photo albums. The image I have here, I can bring it up a little bit, click on done. Now when I'm ready to annotate, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on record, make sure that I have the colors that I want, perfect. It's going to count down. Hello students, in this example I'm going to show you how to find the perimeter of the triangle in this image. Over here I'm going to take the yellow marker and I'm going to trace out a small triangle over here. Let's say the measurements were 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and 5 over here. What would the perimeter be? So if you're happy with the video, what you do is you click on the Screenshot button over here. Now if I click right up here, it's going to prepare my video. If I now click on this video, now what I can do here is I can look at it on the iPad again, which is not really of use to me, but what's amazing is I can just click on share, and I have an email link over here, so I can click on email link, and there you go. I can send it to whomever I want. There you go, and you simply click on send. And now your student will have a copy of that video. Last but not least, in order to draw or write on the screen, you can use your fingers, but if you're serious about using it, what you might want to do is pick up a stylus that looks something like this, which is what I have. And as you can see over here, there's a little tiny nib at the end, which is soft, and you can actually write on the iPad screen with it, and it feels more like a natural pen rather than just writing with your fingers.